Best laptop tables/desks under 1000 rupees. Here is a list of the laptop tables/desks under 1000 rupees from FurniteArena.net. Story at home foldable portable adjustable multifunction laptop study LAPDESK table for breakfast serving bed tray office work gaming watching movie on bed/couch/sofa/floor with cup slot and tablet/iPad/notebook holder stand. Pink dimension 60 cm x 40 cm x 5 cm. Story at home multipurpose laptop/portable/bed folding table, round PVC edging for extra protection, inbuilt mobile stand for organizing your mobile devices and helps you multitask and increases your productivity. Cleanliness and anti-dust, smooth top can be wiped with moist clean cloth without damaging the top. Elegant portable, very attractive design and finish. Legs can be folded completely to make it highly portable. Portable laptop desk, you can work anywhere, simply fold the desk and you have your own ergonomic workstation ready. Can be put on your lap and work on the sofa, bed, outdoors etc. TARKAN foldable wooden laptop desk for bed, walnut black, perfect utility. If you work on your laptop or book while on bed or on the floor, this product is for you. It elevates the visibility to perfect eye level so as to minimize neck and back strain. Highly versatile, this multifunctional table will be a perfect addition to your office, home, or home office. Use it as a multifunctional workstation, a standing desk for office work, a snack tray for watching TV, a laptop or tablet stand for relaxing in bed, or a food table to enjoy breakfast in bed. Healthier working, it frees from disorders such as backache, neck pain, and stiffness caused by sitting long hours in the same posture. Can be used in conjunction with a regular desk to enables you to work while standing. Durable construct, sturdy and scientific construction, it can afford heavy items, like printer, laptop, and desk organizers, but occupy small areas. True engineering, this table comes with anti-slip rubber at the bottom and additional tablet holder slot in landscape mode. You'll be addicted once you used it. Comes with 12 months manufacturing warranty. Wood-O-Plast wooden folding multipurpose table, small, brown matte finish, product dimensions, length, 61 cm, width, 30 cm, height, 23 cm, primary material, wood, top material, plywood. Color, brown, finish, matte finish, style, contemporary. No assembly required. The product is delivered in a pre-assembled state. Warranty, replacement warranty against manufacturing defects. Multi-utility/bed/laptop table fold-away legs for easy storage. Savya home registered multi-purpose laptop table with drawer/bed table/wooden foldable bed table/LAPDESK/study table/portable table, black and silver stripes, watch, play, study, without leaving the bed. Are you an avid lover of comfy bed? Or now you're recovering from a past surgery? What you need most is here. It perfectly fits a small size laptop or tablet and phone. Also read or do arts and crafts while sitting on the sofa or having breakfast in bed. Pre-assembled and worry-free, no assembly required, it's ready to go right out of the box. Feel free to reach to our customer service if you have any trouble with this product. Your satisfaction is our priority. Fold out design saving spaces. Folding size, 23.5 L, x 15.5 W, x 10.2 H. Easy to fold out, you could put it behind the door or the corner of home when not in use. Non-slip bottom design keeps stable. The prevent slippery of desk's legs on the bottom keep your laptop safe while tilted, and provide you comfort and stability while using. Innovative gift idea for your loved ones. Instead of usual, and more conventional choices, you can stand out from the crowd and offer to the people you love a super practical and smart accessory that they will love. Our bed table is a present that will save them time, space, and make their life more comfortable. Sattva portable folding laptop/study table orange color. Sattva portable folding laptop table is made of quality pine wood material with exquisite workmanship, makes it durable and light enough to carry easily. Product dimensions, length, 52.07 centimeters, width, 33.52 centimeters, height, 22.88 centimeters, primary material, wood, top material MDF, base material pine, back material pine color, orange, finish glossy, style modern, no assembly required. The product is delivered in a pre-assembled state. Warranty, 3 months warranty on product.